Hello everyone. Today's topic is e-banking or electronic banking. Sometimes it can be called as online banking, internet banking, web banking, net banking, virtual banking, or digital banking. All are same. Generally, electronic banking means doing banking activities by internet or electronic way. Online banking is an electronic payment system that enables the customers or clients of a bank or financial institution to make financial or non-financial transactions via the internet or electronic means. E-banking is a safe, fast, easy, and efficient electronic service that enables to carry out online banking services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 52 weeks a year. Various e-banking services are mobile banking, SMS banking, ATM, debit card, credit card, smart card, e-check, electronic alert, electronic fund transfer, electronic data interchange, point of sale, electronic clearing services, online any branch banking, etc. Here, mobile banking is done by mobile or cellular phone. SMS banking is related about also mobile banking. Different types of informations are collected or sent or received or sent by SMS. ATM is important part of today's banking system. It is important for withdrawing money or withdrawing currency from the bank. Debit card is important for receiving or sending different type of information and depositing and also withdrawing of money. Credit card is important for shoppings. Smart card also related about it. E-checks is important for withdrawing money from different branches. Electronic alert is also related with SMS banking. Electronic fund transfer is important for different government officials for providing salaries and wages. Electronic data interchange is also related about this. Point of sales is important for shopping malls, for the payments, and electronic clearing services is important for central bank of a country. Online any branch banking systems is important for tracking banking services from any branches of a bank by unique bank account number. In fine, all form of banking activities or banking services and transactions performed through electronic means is called electronic banking. Dear viewers, there are three pictures in here. First picture or top picture is related about online banking, and second picture is related about internet banking, and third pictures there are different features of electronics or online bankings or internet bankings in here. Thus, we can conclude that when different types of electronic means or online means or internet means or web means, net means or virtual means or digital means are used for banking activities or banking transactions, this is called is electronic bankings or online bankings. Thanks for watching my video.